Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Rubini Daniel. Today we are going to discuss about set operation, subject data structure, class first year BSc Computer Science, semester 2, topic set operation. Set operation. In today's class we are discussing set, union, intersect, difference and clear function. Set in Python. It is a very important concept in data structure. We have discussed more concept in data structure, that is stack, queue, bag ADT, Python list, array. Like that, set in Python. It is a very important concept. First of all, we want to know about what is a set. A set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique, no duplicates. So in set, there should not be any duplicates of the element. Duplicate means any repetition of the elements. However, a set itself is a mutable. We can add or remove items from it. In the set, we can add or we can delete the item from the set. So, in this set can also be used to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, symmetric, difference, etc. So, in the set we can perform many mathematical operations like union, difference, is disjoint, intersection. Like that, many different mathematical operations can be performed in set operation. Creating Python set. First we want to know creating a Python set. A set is created by placing all the items inside the curly braces. So when we want to create this set, so we want to add the elements inside the curly braces and the item should be separated by comma operator or by using the built-in set function. So you want to use the curly braces where inside the curly braces you want to add the element and each element should be separated by the comma operator. It can have any number of items. So in the set you can have any number of items and they may be of different data types: int, float, tuple, string, etc. There is no any restriction. You can have any types of data like integer, float, type, strings, etc. But a set cannot have a mutable elements like list or dictionaries. Now you can see how to create a set. For example, here I have created my set equal to, I have given the curly braces here 1, 2, 3. So the items are separated by the comma operators and the numbers are I have given inside the curly braces. So you can print the state, print my set. So your output will be printed on the output screen. So Python set operations. So set can be carried out mathematical set operation. Already we have discussed, that is union, intersection, difference, symmetric differences. We can do this operators or methods. So first of all we know union, difference, all these concepts we have studied in the max subject. Same concept only we are going to apply in the Python. First one is set union in Python. So what is the union? So the word union represent to combine the two lists. So the word union represent to combine the two lists. For example, now union of A and B. That means it is going to combine the union of A and B. That means it is going to combine the set of A and B. So it will be combine the two set, but duplication is not allowed here. So union of A and B. Now you can say A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have given in the B set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to combine, that is we are going to union. So we are going to perform the what function? Union function. So we are going to combine A set and B set. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the repetition will not be there. So here in the A also 1 5 is there, in the B operation also 1 5 is there, but it will be print only one time because there is no duplication or there is no repetition. That is the union concept. Now you can see set intersection. Intersection means in the two list which is the common one, that will be the output. Okay, so intersection of A and B is a set of elements that are common in both the sets. Intersection is performed using AND operator. Same can be accomplished using the intersection method. So intersection of sets, for example A. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know in the intersection concept only the common value will be the output. So here in the both the set A and B, the common element is 4 and the common element is 5. So in the set A and the set B, 4 and 5 is the common. So the output will be 4 and 5. So intersection, it is for to display the common element from the two set. So here also you can use instead of the keyword like A dot intersection of B. So what will happen? The common of the two sets will be displayed as the output. Again I want to show you the union concept. See here three lists is there. A within the curly brace A, C, D, B equal to C, D 2, C equal to 1, 2, 3. So we are going to show A union B. That means we are going to join A and B. So here you will not get duplicates. So our output will be 2, D, A and C. Then we are going to combine B and C. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, D and C. Now we are going to combine three set A union B, B union C. So we know the concept, there should not be any repetition or any duplicates. So when you are combining you will be getting 1, 2, 3 D, A, C. So no repetition is there. So like that you can combine, like that you can union the different set, not only two set, you can more than two set also you can combine through the union function. Now set difference. So now we know union and intersection. Now we are going to learn about set difference. In the set difference also there is a two set we are taking, A equal to A, B, C, D and B equal to C, F, G. First we are going to find the difference A dot difference B. In second statement we are going to print B dot difference A. So A dot difference A, we are getting the output B, A and D, because in the set A, B, A, D, which is not there in the set B. So it is printing B, A, D. And you can see here second statement print B dot difference of A. You are getting the output G, F, because the G, F which is not there in the A. So only the output is G, F. Now intersect. Already we have learnt intersect means it is a to find the common. So like this also you can use B dot intersection of A, B dot intersection of C, A dot intersection of C, C dot intersection of A and B. See in the fourth statement we are finding C dot intersection of A and B. So here we are comparing the three set. In the three set which is the common, 2 is the common. So like this we can compare, or we can from three set we can compare and we can find the common element. Now disjoint. So in the disjoint it will write either true or false. For example, the first one, print are A and B disjoint. A dot is disjoint B is true, because see here in A 1 2 3 4, in B 5 6 7. So there is no any common. If there is no any common between two sets, then it will write true. Then see here R A and C disjoint, it is the output is false, because in A and C common element is there, that is a 4. So if it is a common element is there between the two set, then it will write false. So set disjoint. So here if two list is having a common element, then it will write false. If there is no common element, it will be write true. So the function here we want to use is disjoint. Now after this we are going to learn about the clear statement. So for example, here we are initializing vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U. So we are going to clear the vowel. So what you want to do, just vowels dot clear. So if you are using this function, you can clear the elements which is present in the set operation. Okay, so in today's class we have learnt about the mathematical concept in the set operation which is used in the Python: set, union, intersect, difference, clear. Set, set where you can give the items inside the curly braces. The items can be separated by the comma. Union means that the two different or three different sets can be combined, but in the output there won't be any repetition of numbers. And intersect means what? It will be displaying the common element of the two set or three set or more. Differences, the differences means you can compare the two set and you can write the differences. What is the differences? And clear means, for example, in the set there will be numbers or items that you can clear by giving the function clear. So in today's class we have discussed this much. Thank you.